Welcome back to Auto Elite, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today we're going to take a closer look at one of the most anticipated sedans of 2025, the Audi A4. As we all know, Audi has been on a roll lately, producing some of the most impressive vehicles in the market. And the A4 is no exception. This compact luxury sedan has been a favorite among car enthusiasts for decades, and the 2025 model is shaping up to be one of the best yet. First off, let's talk about the design. The A4 boasts a sleek and sophisticated exterior with a bold front grille and slim LED headlights. The lines are clean and elegant, giving the A4 a premium look that's sure to turn heads. But it's not just about looks. The A4 is also built for performance. You get a choice of two engine options: a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 that puts out 201 horsepower, or a more powerful 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 that puts out 349 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, and you get a choice of front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. On the road, the A4 is smooth and refined, with plenty of power on tap, but what really sets the A4 apart is its tech features. You get a ton of standard features, including a 12.3-inch virtual cockpit, a 10.1-inch touchscreen display, and a suite of advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. And if you opt for the higher trim levels, you get even more goodies, like a 19-speaker band, an Olufsen sound system, a heads-up display, and a 360-degree camera system. Now, let's talk about safety. The A4 has a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA, and it's a top safety pick from the IIHS. You get a ton of standard safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. And if you're planning to use the A4 as a daily driver, you'll be happy to know that it's got plenty of practical features too. You get standard features like heated seats, a power moonroof, and a split folding rear seat. Now, let's talk about fuel economy. The A4's fuel economy is pretty impressive, with an estimated 24 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway. And if you opt for the front-wheel drive model, you can get up to 33 mpg on the highway. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The A4's starting price is around $40,000, and which is pretty competitive in its class. And if you opt for the higher trim levels, you can expect to pay up to $60,000 and or more. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Audi A4 is an impressive sedan that checks all the right boxes. It's got a sleek design, a comfortable and feature-packed interior, and plenty of power and capability on the road. And with its impressive safety features, generous warranty, and competitive pricing, the A4 is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new luxury sedan. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, walkthroughs, and comparisons of the latest cars, trucks, and SUVs. We'll see you in the next video.